All right, watch the draft. Here we go. We got Exquisite 2014. Now remember, guys, the hits will be posted on the forum. The forum, ultimateboxbreaks.com. Click on the forum. The collegiate hits. Yeah, no problem, Iron Man. Thanks for being here, buddy. Thanks to everybody for being here hanging out. The fella's going big. He must be feeling it. All right, let's get up in this case. We're going to break all three in a row. All right, box number one, Exquisite. Let's go. Man, I need to empty out this. Trash can. Okay. Good luck, guys. Here we go. First, going to be Marcus Allen, 50 out of 75. So Marcus Allen, 50 out of 75. Then he got Eric Ebron. He won't leave us alone tonight. He's being a bully. Get out of my face, Eric Ebron. 100 out of 110. Detroit. Fox Co-Marine, good to see you back, buddy. Then you got Bishop Sankey, 18 out of 99. Tennessee. Bishop Sankey. Then Bernie Kosar, 24 out of 25. Bernie! 24 out of 25, Bernie Kosar. Hey, a lot of the vets are posted up under the How It Works section where you can see exactly what team they go to if you don't want to wait. A lot of those there. Then a Logan Thomas, 1 out of 5. So Logan Thomas, it's the gold-plated 1 out of 5. Could have been anybody else, right? Except when we get down to the nitty-gritty like right Shaw. Give me a little Jerome the Bus. 15 out of 15, Jerome the Bus Bettis. S. Miller, 5331. Do what you do. 15 out of 15. Last one made. That ain't bad. And then you got Justin Hardy, 70 out of 125. Justin Hardy, 70 out of 125 going to ATL. So Hot Lana grabbing up that last one. Nothing too wild in the first Exquisite break. We're going to keep it going. We're not going to mess around. We're going to keep going.